So the question is, will a 10-inch wheel fit on a normally 12-inch bikes? Will the axle be the same or will there be differences? This comes from a Chinese 139 QMB, and this is from that means the shortcase variant, and this is from the 139 QMA, which is this one, which is the long variant that can take 12-inch tires. Then the other one can only take 10-inch. So anyway, it's interesting to see if they both fit each other. Let's try it out. So this is the tire dimension, 130/70-12, and on this one they call it 90-9010. And here we have it. I cleaned it up a bit, and it should be just slide it on. Try to get the splines to work. No? There we have it. Yeah, so it does fit. Actually, yeah. It's a bit tight here, but it's almost a centimeter. So that works. Okay, so I have some other videos doing this GI6 things. Check them out. For example, this one, it is, when I get it, it is broken, it doesn't start and so on, and there were a lot of errors on it. So check that video out if you're interested. So maybe this wheel can take the same weight and so on, but as long as you don't overload it and so on, it still works. But if you're gonna transport other people and so on, a lot of groceries, maybe do it on your own safety risk. It looks a bit weird with a small tire, but hey, it works. So this is the back side. These are 105 millimeters diameter, something like that. So it's the same on both the short and long case. So here we have a short case, 139 QMB, and I know there are some people wondering if you can fit a 12-inch into this. And let's try. So we got a 12-inch here. Hope you can see it. And well, no, it does not go in. I'm touching let me show you. Okay, so you can see it's completely tight. Maybe if you can find some slicks or whatever, but the normal tires don't work. 12-inch does not work on a short case 139 QMB Chinese 4-stroke engine. Case closed. So you can see the shaft there, but this is where it doesn't work. So let's start, since everybody says that you should grease this part, I'll do it just because I have the grease. It's a propeller shaft. Grease will do fine. Have to watch out so I don't spill or that it will be too much, because then it will damage the brakes and they won't work and so on. So, but just take a little bit. That should be fine. From Biltema also. So here we have, I've cleaned the wheels, cleaned off the dust. So I'm just gonna slide it in. Hopefully, if I can. I'm blind, I have to check. So yeah, by the way, I broke my old one when I had to use so much force to get this one off. So it doesn't work correctly, it just clicks and so. So it's about time to replace it. It wasn't that expensive. And this has to be tightened really hard, as you know. Should have an impact wrench, but I don't have it. So I'm gonna have to use the same technique again, put a wood inside. And try to not damage anything. So this will come here. It will hit that. What will it break? There we have it. I don't want to over tighten it, since I'm gonna try to replace the tire. So maybe that will do. But it should be a tire, hard, like 100 Newton meters. Okay, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up and a subscribe. Bye bye.